Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to solve the third problem of exercise 4.2 from the NCERT textbook. So let us see the third problem. In the third problem, there are two numbers, say x and y. So x is one number and y is another number. So it is given that the sum of the two numbers, that is x plus y, is equal to 27, and the product of two numbers, that is x into y, is equal to 182. So this is the information given. From this information, we need to find the values of x and y. That is, we need to find the two numbers x and y. We have x plus y is equal to 27. On the left side of the equal to sign, I have plus x. If I take this plus x to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become minus x. So from this, I can say that y is equal to 27 minus x. And it is given that x into y is equal to 182. So I will substitute the value of y here. So x into the value of y is nothing but 27 minus x is equal to 182. So if I open the brackets and multiply, x into 27 is nothing but 27x minus x into x is nothing but x square is equal to 182. The terms which are there on the left side of the equal to sign, I will take them to the right side of the equal to sign. So here I have minus x square. If I take this minus x square to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus x square. Here I have plus 27x. If I take it to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become minus 27x. On the right side already I have 182. So plus 182 is equal to 0. Let us say this is equation 1. So from the given information, we frame the quadratic equation. Now we need to find the roots of this quadratic equation. That is, we need to find the value of x. So to do that, let us compare the equation 1 with the standard form of the quadratic equation. We know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if you compare the equation 1 with the standard form of the quadratic equation, I'll get the values as a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27 and c is equal to 182. So let us find a into c. So a into c is equal to 1 into 182. So this is equal to 182. Now in order to factorize the equation 1, I need to select two factors of 182 in such a way that when I add up those two factors, I should get the value of b, that is nothing but equal to minus 27. So what I will do is, I will write this 182 as minus 13 into minus 14. So if you see here, minus 13 into minus 14 is nothing but equal to 182. Now if I add up minus 13 and I have minus 14, so minus 13 plus of minus 14, this is equal to, so minus 13 minus 14 is nothing but minus 27, minus 27. So when I am adding minus 13 with minus 14, I am getting minus 27, which is nothing but the value of b. So now I can factorize the equation 1. So now the equation 1 can be written as x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. So see here, minus 13x minus 14x is nothing but equal to minus 27x. If I take x common, I will be left with x minus 13. So see here, x into x is x square, plus into minus is minus, x into 13 is 13x. So minus 14 I will take common. So I will get x minus 13. So see here, minus 14 into x is minus 14x, minus into minus is plus, 14 into 13 is 182. So this is equal to 0. Here I am getting x minus 13 at both the places. If I take x minus 13 common, x minus 13, if I take common, I will be left with x minus 14 is equal to 0. So x minus 13 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that either x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 14 is equal to 0. So if x minus 13 is equal to 0, then So see here, on the left side of the equal to sign, I have minus 13. If I take this minus 13 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus 13. Then x is equal to 13. In the same way, if x minus 14 is equal to 0, then if I take this minus 14 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus 14. Then x is equal to plus 14. Therefore, x can take values 13 comma 14. So these are the roots of the equation 1. So what does it mean? So x can take values 13 or 14. So we have x plus y is equal to 27. So if x is 13, what will be the value of y? So if x is 13, 13 plus y is equal to 27. So if I take this 13 to the other side, y is equal to 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. If the value of x is 13, then the value of y will be 14. In the same way, if the value of x is 14, then the value of y will be 13. So 13 and 14 are the two numbers. So the required two numbers are nothing but 13 and 14. So this is our required answer. So when a problem is given to you, from the given information, you need to frame the quadratic equation, and from the quadratic equation, you need to find the value of x. That is, you need to find the roots of the quadratic equation.